best way to know that your pecan or pecan pie is done cooking is when I pull mine out of the oven, I jiggle it a little bit. Same with your pumpkin pie. You're going to jiggle it to see what's going on in the middle. Your pecan pie is going to probably set a little bit faster than a pumpkin, and it's also going to dome. It's going to get really puffy, almost like a souffle. And the pecans are going to puff up, and then you'll start to see a little bit of cracking on the top. If it's jiggly or juicy in the middle, you need to keep cooking it. And when all else fails, you can do the toothpick test. Just put that toothpick in the middle, pull it out, see if there's anything juicy sticking on that. If that's the case, let it keep going. If it cracks a little, totally fine. That's telling you that it's cooking and that the eggs are done. And then while you're waiting for that dome action to happen, and the middles to be cooked up and solid. If your edges are getting too dark, go ahead and just put some tin foil around your crust so it doesn't get any more brown or burnt than you like.